Hey guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Today we are making something that's a healthier version of muffins. We are doing some lemon blueberry muffins with lemon olive oil. Was that a good slide? I think I've done better. Now, first things first, I forgot my camera tripod at work, so if this video seems a little different from the other ones, that's the reason why. Also, this is our 50th cooking video. 50th! You guys have been enjoying these videos so much, it humbles me that you love these videos so that I can keep making them and keep giving you ideas. But before I get too emotional, let's get to making our muffins. To start things off though, you will need only one product from our store. You will need the lemon agrumato olive oil. Other than that, let's get to making it. Before you do anything with your ingredients, you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. For our flours here today, we have whole wheat flour plus some oat flour that we just blitzed in our processor. Originally this recipe does call for some corn flour, but we didn't have that, thus why I went with the oat flour. Again, we can't go with any amounts of the ingredients, so please go to the website where the recipe is posted. To this, we're going to add some baking powder. I've always had one major question when it comes to baking. What is the difference between baking powder and baking soda? I should probably do more research on that. As well as some salt. You just want to take your whisk and just mix that all up together. Make sure you don't fling any outside of your bowl, although this is baking. I mean, honestly, it's bound to happen at some point. So we do have some milk in a separate bowl here. We're using non-dairy milk. Along with this, you need a couple of eggs. One was a double yolker, but it's not going to hurt it. We also have some dairy-free yogurt. You will also need our lemon olive oil. And you will need some honey. Alright, so once that is all in the bowl together, you want to whisk it up. And before we go too far, and I forget, you will need some lemon zest for this mixture as well into the wet. So we're just going to take our lemon zest, get that all in there. We're going to mix all that up too. Which is really going to help that lemon flavor come through along with the lemon olive oil. Alright, now we're going to add this to our dry. So when you mix the wet to the dry, you want to add the wet in thirds. So I'm just going to throw a little bit in here. Start to mix that up a little bit. Now I'm going to create another well. And another third. Probably go right ahead and add in the rest. And you know, I've wondered, because the recipe calls it this. It's called a tea cake, but there's no tea in it. Like, what deems it what deems it a tea cake? Just because you eat it when you drink your tea? No, that doesn't make sense to me. So this is pretty much the consistency that we want. The next step after this is to add some blueberries. So we're just going to do about half that bowl. Once these are all folded in, you can make this mixture into either a small cake pan, or you can make some muffins with a muffin tin. So we'll be doing the muffin tin, so we're gonna get these in here very shortly. Now we have our muffin tin all prepped. We're going to fill these cups halfway with our mixture. About halfway, because they will rise a fair bit. And once you've got your tins all full, there. You'll be putting it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes just to make sure they are fully cooked and risen. We are ready to throw these in. As you can see, we filled all our cups. We found last time when we made these, it took about 22 minutes, was perfect. So halfway through, we're gonna switch these on the racks. I'm going to put this one on the bottom, this one on the top. So after about 11 minutes, we will switch them and we'll be right back. Hey everybody, so our timer went off. Ooh. We switched these halfway through. Ooh. These look gorgeous. As you can see, we're also making dinner. We're making some pasta. But these muffins look amazing. I'm just gonna do the toothpick test. Remember where my toothpicks are? Let's try through this one. It's pretty clean. I'd say that's perfect. We are going to let these cool off. And of course, for our 50th video, we are going to try them. And enjoy maybe too. Oh, they smell good. Baked goods always smell good. You know, one place that makes baked goods that smells amazing is Paris Bread Co. If you haven't visited them yet, they are amazing. Every time I go in there and I smell what they've got going on, it just, I don't want to leave. But anyway, for these muffins, we also have the option of taking this, and we made a little icing sugar. Now this uses our Sicilian white balsamic. This is optional, completely optional if you want. I'm just gonna dip the top of this in there. A nice little glaze. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, let's take our bite. Still a little bit warm. Perfect moisture right in the middle. I might have to eat a whole dozen of these, but I'm not. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys next time. As well as some honey. This is totally making the blooper reel. Even the camera woman's laughing.
Hello?
Hey, Mom.
Hi.
So we're making tea cakes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're shooting a video. Do you guys want some?
Sure.
Sure, that's it. You don't sound that excited.
I didn't know you were gonna over.
All right, I'll be right up.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
See ya.